For everyone using Google TV or Android TV, you have to pay proper attention to this particular video and see 7 important system apps you need to update right now on your Google TV or Android TV to keep your TV run smoothly and effective. Let me show you how. Just like what you see on the screen right here, these are on-device apps, and there are important 7 apps right here that you must update right now if you want to keep your Google TV or your Android TV more effective and efficient. Let me show you how. So the very first thing we want to do here, I'm going to go ahead and go to the Home tab right here. And then on getting to the Home tab, you can see the interface here has changed because I have updated some of the information right here. So, and I decided to make a video about it and show you on how you can as well update some of the stuff in your Google TV. So now from the home page right here, you just want to make sure you navigate to settings right here. Click on quick settings and click on all settings. And then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and scroll down, go to apps right here. And then next thing you want to do is to make sure you go to Google Play Store. But in some cases, if you cannot find Google Play Store right here, you can simply click on see all apps and then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to show system apps. Click on that. And then it's going to take you right here. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store. Go ahead and click on OK and open. And then it's going to take you right here. Okay. Now the next thing you want to do right here, this section here comprises of all apps in Google TV or Android TV, whether the one you install or the one you have not installed. But there are some of the pre-installed system apps that you need to update that can keep your Google TV or Android TV more smoothly and efficient. How do you get to that? Next thing you want to do is to navigate to the Google account of your Google TV, and then go ahead and click on OK. Then navigate to manage apps and game, click on OK. All you have to do is to scroll down right here, go ahead and click on this device. So it's going to take you right here. So one of the best 7 apps you need to update on your Google TV here is your Android accessibility. Go ahead and open your Android accessibility. What does this do to you? Android accessibility suite in collection of accessibility apps that help you use your Android device high-free or with a switch device Android accessibility. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on update, then allow the update to run completely. Just like so. After successful update this particular one right here, then go ahead and click on back on your remote control. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you update your Android system web view. Android system web view, you need to update it because it is Android web view is a pre-installed system component from Google that allow Android apps to display web content. If you are the type that browse enough and then you surf internet with your Google TV, you need to keep this particular Android system web view up to date. This allows you to navigate web. You can slide down here and check on the app preview as the case may be. Okay. And then, so all you have to do is to make sure you update it. And this is the second app you need to make sure you update on your Google TV or your Android TV right now. Next one here is your Android TV remote. Android TV remote is another great app. This is the service that allows use of your Android phone or tablet as a remote for your Android TV, which simply means that you can use your phone part as your TV remote instead of using your personal remote. With this Android TV remote service, keeping up to date, you can as well control your TV right from your phone. You can see the interface right here, just like what you see right here. So make sure you update this. And this is the third one right here. Another one here is Google app itself. Go ahead and click on it. Google Apps for Android TV is another great app that allow you this fastest and easiest way to explore movies, music, and other content for your Android TV. When you need it, use your voice to quickly search for movies, TV, music, as the case may be. Make sure you update this as well. And this is the interface. You are browsing on your Google TV, just like the way and manner you browse on your Android phone or your PC or on Mac. For as long as you keep this up to date, you can surf the internet freely on your Google TV. And this is another great app you need to update right now on your Google Smart TV, which make it about 5 in all. The next one right here is Google TV right here. Go ahead and click on it. And then this Google TV, use the Google TV Home app to launch and control your Google TV entertainment devices, browse your movies, shows, and live TV channels without having jumping from one another. Make sure you install update for this also. I've already updated. That is why you see on install. After a successful update, you should get something like this on your home screen. You can choose any of the, you will see different options that you can use for your home screen on your Google Smart TV. And this is the sixth one. The very last one here that you must update as far as your Google TV is concerned is this one right here, TV Setup. This TV Setup is another great app in your Google TV. TV Setup help you to get started and the most from your TV device, including Wi-Fi account, login, and installation as the case may be. If you are not fully update this particular TV setup, you might have issue with network. You might have issue with different apps you have on your Google TV. In fact, you might have issue with your account login on your Google TV. It's that simple. All you have to do is to make sure you run the update of this particular TV setup on your Google Smart TV. Period and simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.